We started to tackle this challenge in 2009, and everyone said that we were crazy because we were just latecomers with a lot of competitors. But our madness, as always, was derived from the confidence in ourselves. Today, after 7 years, we can say that this challenge has been won. We are among the world's leading air conditioning manufacturers. With a few thousand pieces of stations produced, we pay the same attention to every single station that is automatically tested to give our customers the assurance of the BrainB quality level. To give an idea of how we work, I would like to recall when we started with the Clima project. We immediately tried to understand the problem and not just do what others were doing. One demonstration of this approach is the supercharge function, which gives us the certainty of charging, completing the charge at 100%, speeding up the operation, in some cases even by 10 minutes. As in other cases, this has given us a big advantage, because by analyzing what others did and thinking about new approaches, we have always been able to find innovative and unique solutions. In addition to the supercharge function, another extremely innovative feature is the HPV. Everyone has always told us that the bigger the pump, the better is the vacuum. We have shown that that is not true. Actually, it is exactly the opposite. The smaller the pump, the better it works, and in fact our patented HPV function allows us to hold the vacuum for 5 minutes less, while maintaining the same efficiency and actually increasing it. Our work not only reflects the search for greater environmental compatibility, but also our professionalism. I think it happened to anyone who does not use BB stations. Sooner or later they see their customer coming back and complaining that the system did not work well, even though it was recharged a few days before. This, almost certainly, is due to a leak of the Schrader valve, which is one of the major causes of failure after the intervention. Also in this case, using an unconventional approach, completely different from what others did, we have found a solution called EcoLock. EcoLock is a patent of ours, which also solves this problem so that the closing of the Schrader valve is checked automatically before the end of the intervention. So, EcoLock puts an end to embarrassing situations. The question that I think has been asked the most during presentations, fairs, and the visits we make in the workshops to know a little bit more about our customers and understand how they use our products is the following. Why should I buy a BrainB Clima line product? I think I've responded differently every time. However, giving it some thought and coming up with a reasoned answer, the reply is, because it is simply a product made by us. We have coined a new term. It is not just made in Italy, but it is made in BrainB. What does characterize a made in BrainB product? It's the difference in the approach. It's to try to solve those that are considered normal problems and for which no one thinks of an alternative solution. We are accustomed to seeing machines with heating bands, with systems for increasing cylinder pressure. And what did BrainB do? Being a made in BrainB product, we have sought an alternative solution. Just think that when you unplug a normal fitting that does not have an EcoLock technology patented by BrainB, you emit in the air, talking about R134, a gas that is damaging to the atmosphere. With the EcoLock patent, BrainB solved this problem. So, what does BrainB's Clima range offer? In short, tailor-made solutions for vehicle repairers, with technological innovations that allow them to operate on refrigeration systems with an ever-evolving range of models, always aimed at providing features that solve the problem of the vehicle repairers and help them to work better and faster. An indispensable criterion of the BrainBee design is our compliance with all safety requirements connected to our products. Our stations and their production process are TÜV certified, approved by Mercedes, the German Car Manufacturers Association, and the VDA. Our job is to find the best non-specific technologies in our industry and to evaluate how their application can improve our products, with the aim of providing the workshop with an innovative yet reliable recharging station. In recent years, we have filed 8 patents, proof of our vocation for innovative research, which have created special features highly appreciated by our workshops. Just to name a few: EcoLock, Long Life Pump, Supercharge, Oil Care System. All of them are applied to our full range, not to penalize those who choose, for convenience or need, also the so-called entry-level models. So, back to the question, why should I entrust my work to a BrainBee station?
Made in BrainBee.
Made in BrainBee.
Made in BrainBee.